Okay, so your inspection is booked and you would like to pass your test the first time around. What can you do to improve your chances of passing? Let's go through some of the most important things to check before coming to the station. Make sure that number plates are securely attached and that they are in good condition, visible, legible and legal. Be sure to have your vehicle registration documents with you. A steering system that is in good condition allows for better handling and control of your vehicle, especially in emergency situations. Check that there is no excessive play in the steering system and that the steering is smooth. If the vehicle pulls automatically to one side, it could indicate a problem with the steering alignment. Pay particular attention to the correct alignment of the headlights for better visibility for you and other road users. Check that all the lights, including signaling lights, are working properly and are in good condition. Check the electrical connections and functioning lights between the towing vehicle and trailer. Visibility refers to having the ability to see in all conditions. Make sure that the windshield, especially in the driver's central field of vision, and windows are not damaged. Check the windshield wipers and demisting system are working and in good condition. Check the rear view and side mirrors are securely fitted, in good condition and adjustable. Tires have great impact on brake efficiency and handling. Tires on the same axle must be the same brand and type with the same structure and dimensions. Check the condition and pressure of the tires. Tires must be changed if they are worn or damaged. Make sure that none of the wheel nuts or studs are missing and that the wheels are not distorted or fractured. Make sure there are no fuel or oil leaks by checking regularly for stains where you park your vehicle. Make sure the tailpipe is not making any unusual or irregular noise. Check that the tailpipe is securely fitted and isn't leaking. Brakes are the most safety-critical components of all. We recommend getting your vehicle checked by a specialist if you notice any of these irregularities: squeaking, squealing, or grinding noises when braking. Uneven or juddering braking can mean worn discs or drums which could shift to the left or right. Worn or leaking brake hoses. Check if the brake indicator is constantly on. Check if handbrake is working properly. Excessive brake pedal travel or difficulty stopping the vehicle. Defects on the bodywork of a vehicle could be dangerous. Make sure there are no sharp or protruding parts that could cause injury. Make sure the doors, the trunk and the hood open and close properly. Check the vehicle body and chassis for excessive corrosion. The seats must be in good condition. Please remove baby seats. Make sure the driver's seat is securely fitted. Check that the seat belts are working and in good condition. Make sure there is no fraying or tears and that the locking and adjustment systems work. Check if the horn and the anti-theft device work. Make sure you have the essential safety equipment. Emission levels are almost impossible to measure entirely by yourself. However, they can be checked at a local station before a test. A badly tuned engine often consumes more fuel and oil, and this can lead to considerable pollution. Check that there aren't excessive fumes and if the fumes have an unusual color. White smoke can be a sign of an engine overheating or an engine combustion problem for petrol cars. Black smoke can indicate engine combustion problems for diesel cars. Blue smoke can indicate oil consumption or burning by the engine. Check the levels and top up if necessary. Engine oil, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid for front and rear wipers. Check the level and make sure the cap is not missing. Make sure that no dashboard warning lights stay on. Now it's time to get this show on the road.